हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। आज हम लोग बीए सेकंड सेमेस्टर इंग्लिश लिटरेचर में पार्ट 2 में ऑब्जेक्टिव क्वेश्चन पढ़ेंगे। शुरू करते हैं। टेनिसन्स नेचर डिस्क्रिप्शन आर। अब इसके बारे में हम टेनिसन के बारे में पढ़ेंगे। टेनिसन नेचर डिस्क्रिप्शन आर विविड एंड क्लियर बोथ ए एंड बी। सेकेंड है यूलिसीज वाज अ ग्रेट। पहला है टीचर, हीरो, सिंगर, नन ऑफ दीज। इसका आंसर होगा हीरो। यूलिसीज वाज अ ग्रेट हीरो। थर्ड है व्हाट इज द मोस्ट कॉमन क्वालिटी इन किड्स एंड टेनिसन्स। फर्स्ट ड्रामेटिक क्वालिटी, बी एलेजिक क्वालिटी, सी पिक्टोरियल क्वालिटी एलिमेंट्स या डी नैरेटिव स्किल्स। का आंसर है सी पिक्टोरियल एलिमेंट्स। फोर है टेनिसन रोट अ लार्ज नंबर ऑफ पोएम्स बट हिज लाइफ लॉन्ग आइडियल is expressed in first the princess, Martin and the Gleam, Maud, the Brook. Answer B, Brook. Martin and the Gleam. Five है the span of the age of Tennyson or the Victorian age is from first 1832 to 1887, 1837 to 1901, 1832 to 1901, 1837 to 1887। आंसर है बी 1837 to 1901। सिक्स व्हाट इज द मैसेज ऑफ टेनिसन्स पोएट्री। फर्स्ट फेथ एंड ट्रस्ट। सेवन द मेन कैरेक्टरिस्टिक ऑफ टेनिसन्स पोएट्री इज। Answer C, the reign of law and order as a revelation of divinity. 8. Tennyson was born in the year B, 1809. Ulysses carries the philosophy of action. A, इसका आंसर हो जाएगा एक्शन। Tennyson's fast friend was Bentham, Arthur Clough, J.S. मिल या मैलम। आंसर है डी मैलम। टेनिसन स्टडीड एट द यूनिवर्सिटी ऑफ कैम्ब्रिज। टेनिसन वाज मेड पोएट लॉरिएट इन सी 1850। व्हाट इज द मोस्ट कॉमन क्वालिटी इन द टेनिसन एंड किड्स पिक्टोरियल एलिमेंट्स। आंसर है पिक्टोरियल एलिमेंट। 14 है अकॉर्डिंग टू टेनिसन गॉड्स आर क्रूअल एंड इंडिफरेंट। 14 का सी क्रूअल एंड इंडिफरेंट। अब इसके बारे में पढ़ेंगे। मैथ्यू आर्नोल्ड। ह्यूमन बींग्स आर लाइक सोल्जर्स। आंसर है ह्यूमन बींग्स आर लाइक सोल्जर्स। सेकंड एजियन सी इज लोकेटेड नियर सी अरब। किसके पास में है? अरब के पास में। आर्नोल्ड्स बर्थ प्लेस वॉज मिडिलसेक्स। फोर आर्नोल्ड्स फादर वॉज हेडमास्टर। इसका बी है हेडमास्टर। आर्नोल्ड वॉज बोर्न इन दिसंबर 24, 1822। ए। 6. What was the name of Arnold's second small volume of poem Empedocles on Athena? A. 7. In which year did Arnold win the Newdigate Prize? 1844. 8. In reality, the world has all of these. First, no joy, no peace, no love, no relief, no light. Answer is D. All of these. 9. The poet appeals to his companion to come to the window. There are few people who are filled by a thirst for social work. Answer. Arnold died in C. April 1888. What kind of poet Arnold was? Pessimistic. 13. Arthur Clough was close friend of Arnold. D. Answer D. Dover, which was published in the year 1867. 14 के 1867. Who was defined poetry as criticism of life? Arnold. अब पढ़ेंगे रॉबर्ट ब्राउनिंग. Browning belongs to Victorian age. First A. Browning was born in the year B. 1812. Browning is famous for all of these: his optimism, his dramatic monologues, his obscurity. All of these. Answer हो जाएगा D. Browning is at home in ड्रामेटिक मोनोलॉग. आंसर है 4 का ड्रामेटिक मोनोलॉग. ब्राउनिंग मैरिड एलिजाबेथ बैरेट. डी. ब्राउनिंग मैरिड एलिजाबेथ बैरेट. व्हाट इज द चीफ कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स ऑफ ब्राउनिंग्स पोएट्री? इज ऑब्सक्योरिटी. आंसर बी. ब्राउनिंग हैज रिटन चीफली dramatic monologues. Who was Ben Ezra? He was a famous Jewish scholar. Answer है A. 9. The work of Robert Browning fully exemplifies one of the dominant tendencies of Victorian poetry. 9th का A. According to Browning, man who surpasses body to soul is beast. 10 का A. beast. 11. Browning's poetry is optimistic. 12. Browning decided to write poetry in the form of dramatic monologue. 12 का dramatic monologue. 13. The lines "I gave commands, then all simply stopped" occur in the poem My Last Duchess. 14. Browning's life. Elizabeth Barrett was a poetess. In My Last Duchess, Duke of Ferrara addresses the messenger of a count. 15 का है The Messenger of a Count. The line "I gave commands, then all simply stopped together" is taken from My Last Duchess. अब T.S. Eliot के बारे में पढ़ेंगे. When was T.S. Eliot born? 1888. पहला. Which country did T.S. Eliot belongs to? B. USA. The British Order of Merit and the Nobel Prize for Literature were awarded to T.S. Eliot in the year 1948. Answer 3 का C. Who was the father of T.S. Eliot? Henry Ware Eliot. When did T.S. Eliot become a naturalized British subject writer? 5 का है A. 1927. What prevented Eliot from entering the USA Navy? D. Physical condition. 6 का D. Eliot's mother was a good social worker. When did Eliot become the editor of the Criterion? A. 1922. Who encouraged T.S. Eliot to compose poems? Ezra Pound. इसका आंसर है A. 10 है First series of Eliot's mature poems were published in English periodicals in D. 1915 to 1916. Who said the 20th century is still the 19th, although it may in time acquire its own character? A. T.S. Eliot. In which year did Eliot visit France and Germany to study language and literature? D. 1910 and 1911. T.S. Eliot joined Harvard University in B. 1906 में. What was the first dramatic attempt of Eliot? The Rock. आंसर इज सी, द रॉ। विच स्कूल ऑफ पोएट्री डिड इलियड रिवॉल्ट अगेंस्ट 15 का है जॉर्जियन। विच ऑफ दीज पोएट्स वाज बोर्न ब्रिटिश बट बिकेम एन अमेरिकन सिटीजन। इलियड। 16 का इलियड। हु क्वाइंड द टर्म ऑब्जेक्टिव कोरिलेटिव। 17 का इलियड। व्हेन, अब इस हम पढ़ेंगे W.B. ईट्स की, विलियम बक ईट्स, बटलर ईस्ट। व्हेन वॉज विलियम बटलर ईट्स बॉर्न। 1865। व्हाट वाज द नेशनैलिटी ऑफ ईट्स। आयरिश। कौन थे वो, आयरिश थे। वेयर वाज ईट्स बॉर्न। 3 का डबलिन। टू विच विलेज ऑफ आयरलैंड डिड ईट्स बिलोंग। स्लिगो, स्लाइगो। 4 का स्लाइगो। वॉट इंटरेस्टेड ईट्स मोस्ट इन स्लाइगो। नेचर। 5 का सी, नेचर। When was Yeats honored with the Nobel Prize? 6 का 1924. Who brought Yeats into Irish politics? Maud. Who calls Yeats the finest of British poem of modern age? J.W. Veitch. In which year Yeats was elected Senator of Irish State? 1922. Answer इसका 1922. William Butler Yeats died in 1939. When did William Butler Yeats become the president of the Wolfe Tone Memorial Association? Answer है D, 1898. When did Yeats become the president of Irish National Dramatic Society? Answer A, 1902. Who is the writer of European Gita? William Butler Yeats. Answer is William Butler Yeats. Which play does not belong to Yeats? Dr. Faustus. 15. The William Butler Yeats belongs to Ireland. Where was Yeats the producer manager? The Abbey Theatre. Answer है B. Who wrote the introduction of Rabindranath Tagore's Gitanjali? William Butler Yeats. 17 का. Who founded the Abbey Theatre? 18 का A, Yeats, William Butler Yeats ने. Which play belongs to William Butler Yeats? 4 plays of dancers. Answer D, 19 का. 20. With which movement was the William Butler Yeats associated? Symbolist. Answer is symbolist. 21. Which one of the following work does not belong to Yeats? Doverwich. Answer is Doverwich. 22. Who is the writer of the poem The Second Coming? William Butler Yeats. When did Yeats found the Irish National Dramatic Society? 1902. Which Indian religious scripture attracted Yeats most of all? गीता. काफ़ी प्रभावित थे. अब फिलिप लार्किन के बारे में पढ़ेंगे. द फुल नेम ऑफ फिलिप लार्किन वॉज फिलिप अर्थर लार्किन. आंसर बी. लार्किन वॉज बोर्न इन 1902. When did Larkin die? 1975. What is the period of Larkin's poetry post Second World War? Answer is C, 4 का. Which was his first published poem? Ultimatum. 6. Who published Larkin's first novel? The Listeners. What does the poet like in church? Seriousness. From which poem have the following lines been taken? One of the crew that tape and jost and know that rude lefts were church going. Answer is B. The poem Church Going is a monologue. Larkin had graduated from Oxford University. 11. Larkin would like to continue his present life. Which job did Larkin join first of all? librarian. 13. In which year was Larkin awarded Queen's Gold Medal for Poetry? B. 1975. 14. Which one act play did Larkin write? A. Night in the Plague. 15. In which collection has Charles Going been included? The Less Deceived. 16. At what age did Larkin start writing poem? 15. Charles Going has been anthologized in The Less Deceived. आंसर इज 17 का The Less Deceived. आज की वीडियो हम लोग यहीं समाप्त करेंगे। चैनल को सब्सक्राइब और वीडियो को लाइक करें। धन्यवाद।